Parrot is a beautiful bird. Lush jungles, a vibrant parrot takes flight, feathers ablaze in a kaleidoscope of light. Mimicking melodies with a playful art, a symphony of colors, a living work of heart. Nesting high in trees, a familial bond, guardian of secrets in a world beyond. Curious eyes, intelligence so keen, a social creature, a rainbow unseen. Graceful arcs through the azure sky, a testament to freedom, oh so high. In the dance of nature, a feathered sprite, the parrot embodies life's colorful flight. A parrot's plumage paints the air with hues, in lively chatter, intelligence imbues. Nature's vibrant gem, a winged muse. Through the azure expanse, the parrot takes flight, wings beating rhythmically, a colorful sight. Leaving earthly bounds, into the freedom of height. Like my channel daily, watch video.